it is receiving signals from that white box up there. So we are streaming on this demo right here 3 4K movies. That's a 4K HDR and 2 ultra-high definition movies, which seems pretty impressive, right? If you were in your home and you were streaming one 4K movie and someone in another room started playing World of Warcraft or something, you're buffering. But not only are we downloading these 3 movies, we're actually downloading a ton more data. We're downloading a 360-degree video on this screen. We're downloading 2 360-degree VR experiences on the next screens over, and we're downloading 2 more VR experiences over in the Olympic arena. So we're sending a huge amount of data over the air, incredibly quickly with incredibly low latency. We're actually sending 1.6 gigabits per second, and we have not run out of bandwidth. There is more to play with. So while I was talking about latency, if you can see that VR experience past me, notice how when the player turns his head, the image moves instantaneously with him. There's no lag, there's no nausea-creating following effect, but it's not a locally hosted experience. The sensor data has to travel up this connection, the 5G connection, to the server where Life of Us is hosted. Then it's processed, sent back as graphics data, and presented as visual information. And yet we, with our puny human senses, can't even tell that it took that trip. That's how low the latency is.
No cache.
No cache. It's streaming live right now. Yep. Pretty amazing.
What's 5G's not going to be out until 2018, 2019?
Well, Verizon just announced they were doing 2019. So we'll see. We're working in partnership with lots of different companies.
Intel is really working on the backbone and the whole infrastructure. We're doing the network and the cloud and the client, and we have lots of partnerships.
And so Verizon's the first one.
We'll see. They say they want to be. We're actually laying out the world's largest deployment of 5G at the Olympics next month. We have a whole Olympics arena over there where you can see all of the different ways that we think that the new technology is going to be changing how we interact with sports.
So 5G is Intel?
It's a standard. Intel is a standard setting company,
okay.
and 5G is a way of transferring data over the air.
I got you. And you got the microprocessors graphics.
We are making it happen.
Okay.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to hit that bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when new videos come out later this year. Also, we're going to have some t-shirts coming out, so keep an eye on the community tab on the channel for that. See you guys.